In today's video, I will teach you how to make a blinking text for your Instagram posts using PicMonkey. Let's get started. First, open a canvas with a standard size of your Instagram post. To do this, go to PicMonkey's homepage, click the Edit New Image option, and select Blank Canvas. This will open PicMonkey's canvas size presets for every social media and prints. Now, just scroll down, and under the Instagram category, select either Instagram portrait or the regular 1x1 Instagram post. You can also start from a completely customizable template to make the design part easier for you. To do this, go back to PicMonkey's homepage, click the Edit New Image button, and select Templates. This will open up PicMonkey's editor with the Templates tab open. In the Templates panel, you will see thousands of free and customizable templates to choose from. Simply type in the keyword of your design preference on the search bar to narrow down your choices, and you can simply click on your chosen design to open the template in the editor. Once your canvas is open, you can now upload your files on PicMonkey. Simply go to the sidebar, select the Photos and Videos option, and you can either use PicMonkey's free and premium stock images, or you can upload your own files by simply clicking on the Add Photo or Video button. Once your image is uploaded, you can now drag and drop it onto your canvas, and if you're using a template, you can replace the current image on the template by simply right-clicking on the image and select Replace Image. Now, to do the blinking text effect, simply customize the existing text on your canvas if you're using a template. But if you're starting from scratch, go to the sidebar and open the Text tab. Here, you can either use PicMonkey's text presets, or you can create your own text box. You can customize your text by simply going to the sidebar to change the font style, font size, color, alignment, and more. Once you're done customizing the text, we must now figure out how many frames to use for your design. Instagram allows videos that are 3 to 60 seconds long. Now for the blinking effect, we have to make 2 frames per second. To do this, you can save your design and label it Slide 1 or Frame 1. Once the first frame is saved, you can now change the color of your text, but be careful not to move around any of your graphic elements. Now, save the image and label it Slide 2 or Frame 2. Now, go to gifmaker.me and upload your images into the GIF Maker. Once the images are uploaded, go to the right panel and you can now customize your video. Make sure that the video retains the original size of your file by adjusting the size slider, and take note of the pixels. Now, set the animation speed to 500 milliseconds and set the repeat times into how long you would like the video to last. A complete loop is a second, so if you would like to make a 10-second long video, set the repeat times to 10. Now, to save it, simply click on the Create Video Animation, and you can either open the preview of your blinking text video, or you can save it directly to your computer. If you find this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. And if you want to see more tutorials, turn on the notification bell to get notified whenever we upload new videos.